Then, at around 8 p.m., everything changed. Out at sea, a tornado-like waterspout had formed, unpredictable, violent, and fast. Within minutes, it moved inland like a monster, spinning at frightening speed. The sound hit first, a deep, rumbling roar that grew louder with each second. Before anyone could react, roofs began lifting off houses. Windows shattered. The air was filled with debris. The state constituency coordinator's office collapsed, burying a woman inside. Rescue teams rushed in as the wind howled around them, pulling her out alive, bloodied but breathing. Within minutes, 40 houses were damaged or destroyed.